This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
Hi, this is Josh Cable, editor of Counterman magazine. Has a customer ever complained that there's a strange smell coming from their vents? If so, there's a good chance that their cabin air filter is long overdue for replacement. Cabin air filters remove dust, pollen, allergens, and soot from the interior air of the vehicle. Much like an air filter for your home's HVAC system, the cabin air filter improves the quality of the air coming into the vehicle through the heating and cooling system. It also keeps dirt, debris, bugs, and leaves out of the evaporator and heater core. For people who enjoy breathing clean air, like me, cabin air filters are the unsung heroes of the driving experience. In fact, your customers might not even realize they have one at all. Cabin air filters usually sit behind the glove box or in some out-of-the-way location where most vehicle owners never see them. And you know what they say, out of sight, out of mind. So when a customer comes in to replace their oil filter or their air filter, ask them if they've replaced their cabin air filter lately. If they tell you, I didn't even know I had a cabin air filter, that's a teachable moment and a great add-on sales opportunity. I'm Josh Cable, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.